With the USB stick it from ThinkGeek, you can USBify anything.
What do you got going on here, Zach?
Just charging the old Prius.
Oh.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Attach a USB cable to anything in your house, in your office, even in your fridge.
Do I even want to know?
Just protecting my computer from osteoporosis.
Of course. Dumbass.
Apply fake USB ability to anything for a quick gag. But remember, you have to sell it to make it believable.
Again with this thing?
Huh?
Downloading meeting notes?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm downloading meeting notes.
Come on, give me a break.
Wait,